Hey, what's going on guys, it's your boy and welcome back to another brand new video on my YouTube channel Techny Games. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can get community tab on your YouTube channel at just 100 subscribers for real. Of course guys, that's totally working and it's a really cool trick. So first of all, I'm gonna telling you that I've made a ton of videos related to community tab and YouTube's partner program. Their links will also be in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Alright, so I just gotta tell you quickly that community tab is really useful on YouTube. So it helps you engage with your audience like I have done in the past weeks, and it really helps you to connect with your audience, and that's really helpful. So in this video I'm gonna be telling you how you can get community tab for free at just 100 subscribers. So guys, make sure to stick around till the end of the video, and this will be really helpful for you guys. So make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. So first of all, you gotta open your YouTube app if you're on your phone, and if you're on your PC or desktop or maybe laptop, then you gotta open your YouTube Creator Studio. It will work for all of the devices, and this trick really works for now. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. So first of all, gotta open your channel and search for this option called help and feedback. So right here it is for me. I just gonna click here and he'll be an interface like this. So if you are a verified creator program of YouTube, then an email button will appear for you. If not, then it will just appear a send feedback button for you. So no need to worry. I'll also tell you how you can do with both of these, because in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can get at just 100 subscribers. So if you are at 100 subscribers or maybe near to it, you won't have the email button. So this will work for both email and send feedback, but the email button is kind of quick. So if you have it right there. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can do with the send feedback button. Alright, so I'm just gonna click on the send feedback button. So just open it and turn off the screenshots, turn off the system logs right there in the checklist below, and here you gotta copy paste some material which I'll be providing you in the description box below, and I'll just be quickly telling you what's that. Alright, so you gotta send that to YouTube after copying and pasting from my description box below. So I'll just quickly write the matter and show it to you. So here's the matter guys, I'll just read it quickly for you. Respected authorities, I recently got to know that YouTube is providing community tab to many YouTube creators. I wished if I could have it too, because it will really help me engage with my audience on my YouTube channel. So please review my channel and soon as possible and grant me this cool YouTube feature. I'll be eagerly waiting for your reply. Regards, your channel name. So for this last it's Techny Games for me, so you have to write your channel name, of course, and I'll just cut it down here and write Techny Games really quickly. Alright, so guys, after this you gotta send that right here, and you gotta wait for a week or two, and YouTube will send you an email writing that Congos you have the community tab now, or if not, if it's in the negative way, like if your channel has something wrong, then YouTube will tell you your channel could not have the community tab because, and they will write you a reason. Alright, so then you gotta fix that reason, and you can easily fix that reason, and you can reapply using this same method. Alright, using the same script of course, and then YouTube will probably grant you the community tab, but 99% that YouTube reply is in the affirmative side on the first hand. Alright, but if your channel is original, then you don't need to worry, and of course you will get the community tab. I also had it when I had 500 subscribers, because I didn't knew this trick when I had 100 subscribers. So this trick is really working, really cool, and I've made a ton of videos on this topic, on this niche. Their links are in the description box below. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I think that this video really helped you guys, and your time was worth watching this video. If you have still any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. I'll really try to answer as many comments as possible. So make sure to like and subscribe. It's your boy Techny. I really feel helpful and thankful to help you. So it's your boy Techny signing off. Bye bye.